Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Right, and the bookmarks, you can also see the bookmarks here. They are also pretty good and good in size as well. So both the books here are self-help books, and if I will tell you a little bit about The Alchemist first. So it is written by Paulo Coelho, and every little thing that happens in life makes sense. The book has approximately 160 pages, and the quality of the book is also really good, and dialect is also very simple lucid language is there, and the choice of words by the author is also pretty good. You will be getting everything and in a very easy way, and you will understand whole book completely. Second thing is that some interesting things about the books which I will like to tell you here is that the author started writing this book in 1987 and finished it just in 2 weeks. So he just finished the book in 2 weeks, and a product out of 2 weeks became a global sensation, a masterpiece which you will not regret after buying. When you will read it, you will see that it's really helpful for you. And there are times in life where you get so low, you don't know what to do with your life, with yourself and with your life. So here is the book which will help you to get out of it and how to get motivated. Also, if I will talk about the plot here, so somewhat plot is mentioned here, if you can see. So it's about a boy's journey named Santiago, and Santiago is from Andalusia, a place in Spain. Santiago gets a dream about there is a treasure somewhere and he needs to chase it and follow it. Now, though he is happy in his life, but still he feels to chase that dream. His journey, then his journey starts. He meets a lot of people in his journey. He gets experiences enriching his life. Everyone nudge him to follow his dream. Also, he gets the love of his life in between the journey, and there are lot many things. So I'm not going to give you the spoiler here. Now, if we talk about Ikigai, so Ikigai is a book in which they have shown the Japanese secret to a long and happy life, if you can see, and it is co-authored by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. So in this book, there is, if we can get a little bit meaning from the word Ikigai itself, it means finding purpose of your life. And in the book, there is a secret that how can somebody get high longevity, and it is again a self-help book, Japanese secret for a beautiful life. And if you can see the cover, it is also very beautiful, and it contains cherry blossoms, and it has to be hands down to be one of my favorite book covers. So second thing is the main purpose of the book is that how centenarians live. So what is centenarians? People who live beyond 100 years. If somebody is living beyond 100 years, then he or she may be called as centenarians. So after asking centenarians how they have lived beyond 100 years, so there was some kind of, I'm giving just kind of hints, like you should be living active lifestyle, and you should get some reasons in your life to jump out of bed and get some motivation. And this is the chart which you should see here. So it's written, discover the Japanese secret to a long and happy life with the internationally best-selling guide to Ikigai. And the people of Japan believe that everyone has an Ikigai, a reason to jump out of bed each morning. Inspiring and comforting, this book will give you the life-changing tools to uncover your personal Ikigai. It will show you how to leave urgency behind, find your purpose, nurture friendships, and throw yourself into your passions. Bring meaning and joy to every day with Ikigai. So it is very... So both the books are very handy, if you can see here, and the pages quality are also very good. So here is the book.
edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is